Hello everyone! You have already learned the different stages under mitosis and meiosis. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss the comparison between mitosis and meiosis. So by definition, when we say mitosis, it is a type of cellular division that conserves the number of chromosome sets, and the daughter cells produced are genetically identical to the parent cell. On the other hand, when we say meiosis, it is a type of cellular division that reduces the number of chromosome sets from diploid to haploid. The daughter cells produced differ genetically from one another, as well as from the genetic material of the parent cell. We can also compare mitosis and meiosis in different aspects, such as the occurrence of the DNA replication, the number of divisions present, the presence of synapses for the homologous chromosomes, the number of daughter cells, as well as the composition of the genetic material, and lastly, the role in the animal body. For the DNA replication, in mitosis, it happens during interphase, before mitosis begins. And that is during the DNA synthesis, or the S phase. On the other hand, the DNA replication in meiosis happens during interphase, before meiosis 1 begins. For the number of divisions, there is only one division in mitosis, and it includes the prophase stage, the metaphase stage, the anaphase stage, and lastly, the telophase stage. For meiosis, there are two major divisions that can be categorized into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 includes prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. For meiosis 2, it includes prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2 stages. In terms of synapses of homologous chromosomes, there is no synapses of homologous chromosomes in mitosis. However, in meiosis, there is a synapsis of homologous chromosomes, and it happens during prophase 1, along with the crossing over between the non-sister chromatids, resulting into chiasmata that hold pairs together due to sister chromatid cohesion. For the number of daughter cells and genetic composition, for mitosis, there are two daughter cells produced at the end of the process. And the two daughter cells are all diploid, and they are genetically identical to the parent cell. It means that they received the exact number of genetic material, same with the parent cell. On the other hand, in meiosis, there are four daughter cells produced at the end of the process. And each daughter cell is haploid, containing half as many chromosomes as the parent cell. And genetically speaking, they differ from one another in terms of their DNA composition, as well as they differ in the DNA composition from the parent cell. And lastly, the role in the animal body, mitosis is responsible for the multicellular development and growth of the zygote. It also produces cells for repair, cells for growing, and in some species, for asexual reproduction. On the other hand, the role of meiosis in the animal body is to produce gametes, the sperm and the egg, as well as It reduces the number of chromosomes by half and introduces genetic variability among the gametes. So, those are the different comparisons of mitosis and meiosis in terms of the DNA replication, the number of divisions, the synapses of homologous chromosomes, the number of daughter cells and the genetic composition, and the role in the animal body. If you have questions or clarifications, please leave them in the comment section below.